new updates in CapCut apps. Now my friend, you can write automatic captions in CapCut mobile app. For example, you go to any videos new project and select any videos, for example this, and my friend, from here first of all go to third button or text option or the text button here. Now my friend, you can go for auto caption, the third button here. It will ask you, first of all, you can select any language you want. In this case I select English. You can go for Japanese, Korean and so on else. The second, it will ask identify filter words and poses. It means if you want to poses or identify the filter, you can also go for, and you can go for dynamic captions and so on else, clear current subtitles. And now if you go to starts, it will processing. Now my friend, as you can see here, all the caption, and with the time, as you can see here, automatic it selected 6 caption or the poses. As you can see here, you can go delete button here, and if you want select anything else, you can select if you want to delete them. And now you can done, and from here if you want you can go for any option and you can delete from the here. As you can see here, now check this, and as you can see here, you can also change this later. And if I play the video here, my friend can see on the taskbar it is green. And that's it my friend.